like that, it will protect you later. My name is Azam Basnabi. In study in nursery and when high school. So what else is life?
My name is Alvina Naseem. I study in class 2nd. Environment is not asking us to conserve her for her, but for our future generation. So go green. Happy Environment Day to all. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Sayyid Mohammad Asif. My school name is General High School. I study in class nursery. Where is Environment Day? Peace, water, safe tree.
Hello friends, I am Reena Zainab, studying in KG in Bengal High School. Do you know the World Environment Day is celebrated every year on 5th June to raise awareness about environment protection. Today I am here to do a small activity to bring awareness about recycling. I have found some items. Let's see which items can be recycled. We can recycle magazines, cardboards, newspaper, puzzle pieces, crayons, papers. We cannot recycle medical waste and plastic bags and plastic trays, batteries, plastic pens, diapers and tissue paper. So we can save our environment by reducing, recycling and reusing. Bye bye. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Abhishek. I study in class KG. I am going to tell you a poem. Title is my poem is Help Our Earth. Reduce, reuse, recycle, reduce, reuse, recycle. Take care of that, take care of that. All the lights, throw away the trash. Recycle and reuse, recycle and reuse, recycle and reuse. Thank you.
Hello everyone. Myself Abdul Ahad of class prep. I am from Banhur School and College. Today is an Environment Day. So I am going to plant a tree. Let's start. Trees are very important to us. Happy Environment Day.
Hello everyone, myself Mama Badin. I study in class prep. I am from Banhur School and College. Today is Environment Day.
3.
So I am going to planting. Let's start. Happy Environment Day. myself Raza Bag. I study in class prep. Today in Environment Day, so I'm doing planting. Let's start. Happy Environment Day. Happy Environment. Happy Environment Day. Happy Environment Day.
Good morning everyone, myself Pankrizan. I study in class prep. Today is Happy Environment Day. I am going to do planting. Good afternoon, myself Radhabba. I am studying class prep. I am from Bennett School and College. Today is Environment Day. I am going to planting. Let's start. Environment Day. Hello everyone, myself Farhan Raza. I study in class first. I am from Bennett School and College. I have prepared this chart on the Environment Day. Today I will tell you how to stop global warming. Save tree, save water, more recycle. Thank you.
Hello friends, myself Fatma Zia. I study in class first. I am from Bennett School and College. Today we are celebrating World Environment Day. The World Environment Day is celebrated every year on 5th June. Environment means anything that will surround us.
The first Environment Day was celebrated on 5th June 1974. On this day, planting of saplings is done by schools, colleges, governments, offices, and NGOs. On this day, important information is related to the environment is given in the school due to harmful materials. Environments get polluted. The theme of the Environment Day 2021 is Ecosystem Restoration. We can make our earth a better place. Is live by taking simple steps like planting a tree, throwing waste in proper bin, saying no to the plastic bags, etc. Thank you. Have a nice day.
सुप्रभात, मेरा नाम फारिया अजीज है। मैं कक्षा 2 की छात्र हूँ। आज मैं आपके सामने पर्यावरण दिवस के अवसर पर एक कविता सुनाने जा रही हूँ। पेड़ों की छाया में पक्षियों का नींद बसेरा है, इनके होने से हम हैं और कहते हैं जीवन मेरा है। गौर से देखो इन्हें, ये भी तो कुछ कहते हैं। फूल, फल, हवा, सुगंध ये सब देते रहते हैं। इन्हें देखकर कोयल भी तो देखो नगमे कैसे गाती है। देखने हर एक का दिल ऐसे खुश हो जाता है, जैसे शीतलहर का झोंका खुशियों के रंग मिलाता है। इनको जोगत काट गिराया, कैसे मिलेगी तुमको छाया। दर्द इन्हें भी होता होगा, चोट इन्हें भी लगती होगी। इनको जोगत काट गिराओगे तुम भी न बच पाओगे। हर एक जो पेड़ लगाएगा वो नेक काम कर जाएगा। जो समझेगा दर्द को इनके वो इंसान कहलाएगा। धन्यवाद।
Hello everyone, my name is Faiza Tariq. I study in class 2nd. Today I am reciting Environment Day poem. My poem name is What You Can Do. So let's start. When you see litter in the streets and the air smells of pollution, when you feel like it's all piling up, remember there is a solution. There's something each of us can do to keep the rivers clean, to keep fresh the air we breathe, and keep the forest green. Help clean a beach or recycle bottles and cans. Learn about the problems we face and help others understand. It does not have to be alone. If we eat just to our share, so take out Environment Day to show environment you care. Happy Environment Day. Thank you.
My name is Tasmia Fatma of class 3rd from Penner High School and College. Today I will tell you about importance of trees. Trees are like the lungs of the earth. They are acids that keep the Mother Earth healthy. Trees play a significant role in our existence. They consume carbon dioxide and provide us with fresh oxygen to breathe. Human beings and herbivores are largely dependent on them, as these are the source of fruit, fruits and vegetables. We get medicine, timber, wood, gum, rubber and so many things we get from trees. Thank you.
नाम मोहम्मद सालिम है। मैं कक्षा 3 का छात्र हूँ। मेरे स्कूल का नाम बनहार हाई स्कूल एंड कॉलेज है। आज मैं आप सभी लोगों को पेड़ों के बारे में बताने जा रहा हूँ और उनसे क्या क्या लाभ होते हैं उनके बारे में। चलिए शुरू करते हैं। आप सभी तो जानते ही होंगे, यह फलों का राजा आम है। यह हमें पेड़ों से प्राप्त होता है। इसमें बहुत सारा कैल्शियम होता है, इसलिए हमें काम बहुत चीज़ में आता है, जैसे आम का अचार, चटनी, आमती और मैंगो शेक इत्यादि। पालक पालक हमें पेड़ों से प्राप्त होता है। पालक में बहुत सारा आयरन होता है। पालक हमें कभी भी खून की कमी नहीं होती है। रबर हमें पेड़ों से प्राप्त होता है। रबर हमें बहुत चीज़ में इस्तेमाल आता है, जैसे कॉपी में इरेज करने का, कोई भी चीज़ गलत हो जाए उसको इरेज करने में मदद करता है। लकड़ी हमें पेड़ से प्राप्त होती है। लकड़ी से हम बहुत चीज़ बना सकते हैं, जैसे बेड, सोफा, टेबल, चेयर इत्यादि। कागज हमें पेड़ों से प्राप्त होता है। कागज से हम न्यूज़पेपर, दफ्ती कवर, कॉपी कवर और कॉपी बना सकते हैं। धन्यवाद। आप सभी लोग को पर्यावरण दिवस की हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं।
My name is Tuba Sarfraz. I study in class 3rd. My school name is Bina School and College. Today I tell you about the parts of the plants and its function. Let's start the video. This is a stem. Stem is strong and help hold the plant. This is the leaves. Leaves collect sunlight and make food for the plants. This is the root. Root absorb water and minerals from the soil. This is the flowers. Flowers have nectar in them. Flower is the most beautiful part of the plant. Thank you.
नमस्कार, मेरा नाम रेहान अख्तर है। मैं कक्षा 4 में पढ़ता हूँ। आज पर्यावरण दिवस के अवसर पे मैं अपनी कविता प्रस्तुत करने जा रहा हूँ। मेरी कविता का शीर्षक है करके ऐसा काम दिखा दो। करके ऐसा काम दिखा दो जिस पर गर्व दिखाई दे। इतनी खुशियाँ बांटो सबको, हर दिन पर्यावरण दिवस दिखाई दे। हरे वृक्ष जो काट रहे हैं उन्हें खूब धिक्कारो। खुद भी पेड़ लगाओ इतने कि धरती भी स्वर्ग दिखाई दे। करके ऐसा काम दिखा दो, किसी भी मानव शिक्षा से भी वंचित नहीं दिखाई दे। हरियाली और प्राणवायु का बस ये अंबार दिखाई दे। जंगल के जीवों के रक्षक बनकर के तो दिखला दो, जिससे सुखमय प्यारा प्यारा ये संसार दिखाई दे। करके ऐसा काम दिखा दो, वसुंधरा पर स्वास्थ्य शक्ति का बस यह आधार दिखाई दे। जड़ी बूटी और औषधियों का बस ये भरमार दिखाई दे। जागो बच्चों जागो मानव, यत्न करो कोई मानव इस धरती पे ना बीमार दिखाई दे। धन्यवाद।
My name is Zara Fatma. I study in class 4th. I have made flower pot using plastic bottle. My name is Zarna Fatma. I study in class 4th. I have made flowers by using egg cartons. On this World Environment Day, let's opt for the 3R strategy of reduce, reuse, recycle to save our environment.
My name is Mohammad Nishan Hassan. I study in class 4. As you know, that 5th June is celebrated each year as a World Environment Day across the world. Today I will be speaking about importance of the Environment Day. World Environment Day was established on June 5th and 6th, 1972 by UN General Assembly Conference in Stockholm, Sweden. Since 1974, World Environment Day is the most remarkable day for environmental action. The UN program UNEP organized event for Environment Day annual on 5th June to encourage worldwide awareness and action for the protecting of environment. Various activities related to this are carried worldwide. This year, environmental activities are hosted by Pakistan. The theme of World Environment Day 2021 is Ecosystem Restoration. A unit assisting of the recovery of ecosystem that has been degraded by activity like pollution and deforestation. Ecosystem restoration can happen by actively planting trees or by removing pressure on the ecosystem by protecting the environment and reducing the increasing level of pollution. On this remarkable day, we should pledge to restore and preserve our earth to make it available as a livable and a habitable place for our future generation. Thank you.
Everyone, my name is Mohammed Arman. I study in class 5th. Today I am going to planting a plant. So we start. So I will take a pot and some mud in it. Now I will take my plant. See, this is my plant. I took it and the pot. Now I will take mud and put it in the pot. My mud is sandy. Plant give us oxygen, fruits, vegetables, etc. Plant give us medicines also. So we should plant more and more trees. See, my plant is also ready for. See, my plant is ready. Thank you. Put the plant. Save please. Thank you.
Good morning, ma'am. My name is Iflaksa. Today I am going to plant a tree. So for that we need a pot with a half full mud. Then we need a plant. Put it like this. Then we need more mud and put it in this. And this plant benefit is that it blossom for 12 months and we need more oxygen for this time, so we should plant the trees and also give them water and sunlight. So like this we have to put all the muds and fill it up like this. Then we will be watering this plant. Done. Thank you.
My name is Taj Ali. I will class 5th. I speak beautiful speech. Trees are one of the best things that Mother Earth has given us. They are best friends. They help in many ways. They give us wood and medicinal herbs. They give us fruit and vegetable. They give us shade. They are also best place for the bird to build their nest. Trees are also help to keep the air clean and fresh. They absorb carbon dioxide and give out oxygen. They cause rainfall and prevent soil erosion. They also prevent floods and droughts. Trees are marvelous gift of God to us. It is our duty to protect them. We should grow more and more trees. Without trees, there would have been life on earth.
Good morning, ma'am. My name is Parveen. Today I am going to plant a sapling. For that we need a pot and half full mud in it. Now I will put my sapling in the pot. We have to plant more and more trees because it gives us oxygen and help in breathing. So now I am going to water the plant.
So friends, I have watered the plants. Thank you.